Hi guys and girls, stoked to see you again. In this stream, 190 divided by 190, which equals 1, and 190 divided by 190 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 190 divided by 190 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 190 divided by 190, and we can write this part as 1 over 190 divided by 190. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 190 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 190, which equals 1 over 36,100. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.